excavator working together so they can finish the work. He's pushing it. He's gonna scoop now. Scoop, excavator. Wow. He's scooping big stones. Wow, look. And he's twisting, and pour it in the dump truck. Wow. It's so cool. Okay. He's gonna twist again. He's gonna twist again. And then he's gonna go get the big stones and dirt again. Okay, let's see. Wow. You're helping, excavator. Great job.